Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Dodge Charger tail lights. First, open your trunk and find the two access panels on either side. You'll need to remove the two plastic clips holding each panel in place. Once those are out, carefully pull back the trunk liner to reveal the tail light assembly. This gives you clear access to the components you need to work with. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the tail light assembly. Press the small release tab and gently pull the connector apart to disconnect the wiring. Then, grab your 10mm socket wrench. You'll see two nuts holding the tail light in place. Carefully remove both of these. Make sure all wiring is completely free before attempting to pull the assembly out. Now, with the nuts removed and the wiring disconnected, you can carefully pull the entire tail light assembly straight out from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug due to alignment pins or clips, so a gentle, steady pull is best. Before you install any new lights, take a moment to inspect the old gasket for any signs of damage or wear. This ensures a proper seal. To reinstall, simply reverse the process. Carefully align your new tail light assembly with the mounting holes and push it firmly into place. Reattach the two 10mm nuts and tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the electrical plug until you hear a click. Test your lights to ensure everything works correctly. Also, check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.